All right, so how do you remove this guy down in there, the blade of the Vitamix? Let's see how to do that. It's actually quite easy. Just turn it upside down, put something soft underneath it to catch the blade when it does release. You're going to need a screwdriver like this one here, quite a long one, to be able to pry here between the one edge of the collar and this middle stem part of the bearing, and just go counterclockwise like that, and then just unscrew it. Now, in my case, it's probably going to drop right down because I've done this already. But if it doesn't drop down, just give it a little bit of force and push it here through the hole. Then it's time to clean our blade. So it helps to get a brush, maybe a toothbrush or some other kind of brush, and to be able to get off here in between this little gap here. So that's what I would suggest doing. Just go around like so with some kind of brush to get into that little crevice and make sure that it's nice and clean. As you see, it is there. I like to then also dry it off. It's always nice to see stainless steel cleaned and dried off so that it's looking nice again. So fresh and so clean. Oh, very nice. Excellent. There you go. Let's put it back in. All right, so to put it back in, we have to line up these parallel parts here with the parallel parts here. You can see that it's keyed. You can just kind of reach in there with your one hand and pull it on the other and get it oriented. And like so. Then hold it again from the other side and screw on the bottom collar. You can see it's got these little nubs on there that help it get pulled in here nice and tight. So let's get that started. And just turn it until it's nice and tight. Okay, and now, oh, good to go. And it is nice and clean. Very, very, very nice. I hope that this video was helpful, and if so, hit that like button. Consider subscribing.